Ever wondered how fast a sneeze travels? Brace yourself. It's about 100 miles per hour. That's faster than most roller coasters. But the fun doesn't stop there. A sneeze can eject up to 40,000 droplets, each potentially carrying viruses and bacteria. Imagine a microscopic fireworks display. And get this, the reason you can't keep your eyes open while sneezing is your body's way of protecting you from germs entering through your eyes. Next time you sneeze, remember, you just created a tiny, invisible storm.